How to get more credits on Temu app. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I will walk you through the simplest strategies to boost your credits on Temu. If you are new to Temu, the first step is to sign up. Temu offers a generous welcome bonus to its new users. Once you are on the home page, click on the U option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. At this page, you will see bunch of credits and free gifts. Tap on Continue to any one of them. You will be asked to make a spin to redeem a gift. Temu frequently hosts giveaways, contests, and special offers on their social media platforms. Make sure to follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay updated on these opportunities. And there you have it. This is the easiest way to get more credits on Temu. With these tips, you will be saving more in no time. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Have any question or additional tips on earning Temu credits? Drop a comment below. Happy shopping!